welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great day. Hey, Lewis. Welcome, Lewis. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. Um, no surprise. So we had continued selling today on the major indexes. Um, Before we get started, I want to show you guys the big picture. What's going on with the big picture, weekly time frames on the indexes. All right. So this is the Dow here, and we've been looking at this. All right. And this week, right here, this is this price action, right? Red candles, right? And we actually broke the trend line here. That is not good for the Dow. All right. On the Nasdaq, we have a sell um, signal on the Nasdaq. All right, so let's remove this here. So if you guys look here, right, we have a sell signal, broke support on the Nasdaq. So um, the next major support that we have on the Nasdaq. Now the Nasdaq was up today, all right, slightly up. But we did break support and we have a sell signal. Okay. We do have some support right here, near term support. All right. But the real support will be down here. All right. So let's remove this. All right. So now that we're not making any new highs, right? Broke support, right? The next target is down here, all right? And that's a big area, all right? Big area of support, okay? On the S&P, all right, we also have a sell signal on the S&P, all right, which came in this week. It actually came in today, all right? All right, so buy signal here failed, red candle sell signal. That's always a major concern. All right, here was the previous sell signal right here, almost identical, guys. All right, almost identical to here. All right, red candles. All right, so we expect this market to move lower. All right, so support, next support, I would say right about right in this area here. Let's bring this down a little bit. So right about here is support. So long way to go down for support. So a lot of selling could happen. All right. On the Russell, we're actually breaking through that support line this week here on the Russell. All right. So let's do this so you guys can see that. All right. So here is support. Well, I guess, yeah, right here, right this area right here, and here we are right here. Let's remove this. All right, so we can bring in a resistance line right here. So equity markets are definitely in trouble. All right, so we're looking for it to break through support there. All right, dollar still holding, retracing a bit. Okay, all right. So we're going to hold off on stocks. We've been, you know, lightly getting into technology, consumer services, communication services, some energy. So we're going to pull back on those. Okay. Let's take a current look at um, the pairs in Monster Scalper. Okay. Monster Scalper long positions. All right, Swiss yen. Swiss yen buy signal is here, still holding. Now we saw some movements in the yen pairs. All right, so we'll take a look at the yen pairs. All right, for some opportunities. So Swiss yen buy signal is here, still holding. Great trade going here with Swiss yen. If anyone is in it, just continue to hold. Look for an area to um, scale up. HKD JPY that closed, guys. All right. So we were hoping that we would break through resistance right up here, break through resistance. but that failed, right? And gave a sell signal, so we should be out of this trade. So HKD JPY, all right, close that trade. All right. Pound New Zealand, that's holding nicely. Pound New Zealand. Kiwi pairs, buy signal is here, trading up nicely there. Euro New Zealand, all right. These are great trades going, guys, right? We talked about the Kiwi trade, all right, and very good trade going with the Kiwi pairs. So EUR NZD, buy signal is here. Good trade going, good price action. And then Aussie New Zealand, very good trade. Buy signal is here, trading up nicely here. So the Kiwi pairs, looking really good. All right. USD MXN, closed that trade. Buy signal was a red candle. All right. Close that trade. USD MXN. All right. Close that trade. All right. Now EUR, EUR GBP, EUR GBP, still holding. Buy signal is here. That's still holding. All right. I'm finding some resistance here though, so keep an eye on that. EUR NOK. All right. Great trade going. EUR NOK. Buy signal is here. Really good trade going. So we've got some good trades going in Monster Scalper long. Monster Scalper long. All right. All right. Now let's take a look at the short positions in Monster Scalper. Short positions. All right. All right. New Zealand yen. All right. Sell short signal is here. That's still holding in the markdown phase. All red candles, nothing to do there. CAD yen. All right. CAD yen. Let's take a look here. Short in Monster Scalper. Let's go ahead and close that trade. All right. So CAD yen in Monster Scalper. Sell short signal is here. We had a green candle came in today. All right. So we'll go ahead and close that trade. So CAD yen, close that trade. All right. Forex Dominator, long positions in Forex Dominator. All right. Let's take a look at these. Now we've got a few yen pairs. So let's see. HKD JPY. All right. Buy signal is here. That's holding. We do have a purple support and resistance here right at that resistance line. So keep an eye on it. It might close. Okay. All right. SGD JPY. Buy signal is here. That's holding, following that upward trend line. We could move this. All right. And for this one here, let's move. We can move this here. All right. ZAR yen. All right. ZAR yen still holding here. We need to break through resistance here. All right. So it's still holding between support and resistance. Buy signal is here. Retraced, still holding. So we'll just keep an eye on that. All right. USD CZK, buy signal all the way down here. We've got purple support and resistance, right? White candles. All right. We could see sellers come in, guys. All right. So we could see sellers come in, and like here, here. I know we don't have a red candle, but whenever we have, purple support and resistance with white candles like this, and the dollar index, if you guys look right here, the dollar index is struggling. We have a white candle here on the dollar index. So it is struggling. All right. So the market is moving up a bit, right? So, expect some pullback on the dollar. So we'll go ahead and close this trade here on the dollar. Dollar is currently down. All right. So USD CZK, close that trade in Forex Dominator. USD DKK, that one closed. You see here. All right. So this one closed. All right. All right. So broke support right here. You guys can see that. So broke support. Here was our buy signal here. Broke support. White candle sell signal by your system. Right, close the trade. USD DKK, close the trade. USD MXN, buy signal was here. We got in right here. Still holding. That's fine for now. Okay. All right. All right. So USD MXN, we are still holding. No shorts, no current shorts in Forex dominator. Okay. Let's take a look at equities, stocks, and stock boss. Now, we're not adding any stocks, right? We're definitely bearish, guys. All right. So we're just going to lay back unless there is a sector that really moves. All right. And so we'll play it by ear. All right. HY, HMY, that's basic material. So gold, right? Gold mining, that's holding right now. All right. Buy signal was at 466, holding at 483. Just keep an eye on it. Energy, SWN, right? SWN buy signal was here at 684, holding at 704 right now. All right. Communication services, BLND. All right. Buy signal was here. White candles really trying to hold this trend line here. We're going to close this trade here. All right. So BLND, close that trade. Same thing with HUYA, right? Struggling to hold, right? If it breaks this trend line, right, we could see it really fall, give a sell signal, red candles could come in, all right? So close this trade. All right, HUYA, right, close that trade. TAL, that's holding, that's services, buy signal is here. This one is holding fine, all right? And then AVPT, that's technology. All right, buy signal is here. It's holding fine, but a white candle closed that trade. Right now, it's about break even. All right, so it's up right now. All right, it was up for the day, but keep an eye on it. Okay, let's remove this here. All right, a bull master. All right, a DRS, that's technology, that's holding. All right. KTOS, buy signal here, that's holding. I'm surprised. Well, NASDAQ was up. So that's why these were up. SYM, buy signals hit, white candle. All right. Let's go ahead and close that trade. So SYM, close that trade. AEO, that's still holding. Now, if we were bullish, guys, if we were bullish, right? So the Nasdaq, S&P, Russell, if they were all bullish, buy signals, right? We can on a pullback with these white candles, right? That generally means they're going to pull back within the upward trend. But when we are bearish like we are, and we get these white candles, what normally tends to happen, we don't get follow through with green candles, like right here. So you guys look here, right? When things are bullish, we're in the markup phase. We get a white candle, right? We can expect or anticipate a green candle to follow. All right, but when we're in the when we are bearish and we get these white candles, all right, especially near support, there's a good chance we'll get sellers to come in. These red candles, sell signal by the system. Okay, if it still has green candles, we can hold it, but just again, FYBR, that's rejecting resistance here. It's got a green candle, so will hold. You can hold it, but just see right here. So it's rejecting resistance, but holding right here. So keep an eye on it. All right. Right now it's at about break even. FYBR. GPS, that's holding. That's part of communication services. CRK, that's part of energy. All right, let's go ahead and close that trade. So buy signal was at 1289, close today at 1196. And this is what could follow, guys. All right, purpose, support, and resistance. So it's under some pressure, right? We don't want red candles to come in. So CRK, close that trade. ESTE, buy signal is here. That's still holding. Purpose, support, and resistance. So keep an eye on it. HPK, all right. Buy signal is here. That's still holding. That's part of energy. All right. MRO, all right. Holding right here. Buy signal is here. All green candles holding there. That's part of energy. All right. So, I mean, hopefully we continue to see a move in energy. But remember, right, as the market, the majority of stocks, a large percentage will follow the indexes. And right now they're bearish. All right. So MTDR, all right, you can continue to hold all green candles there. PR, all right, same thing here. We do have a purpose, support, and resistance. All right, it's just barely holding near the high right here, near resistance. Keep an eye on it. It does have a decent trend line here. All right, remember, really should not be in stocks, but these are some of the sectors, especially energy, that's holding. But let's take a quick look at the energy sector here. All right, so energy right here, look at that. We have a white candle. All right, so even energy, guys, even energy is failing. All right, even energy is failing. So, we don't have a single sector now. Okay, so just keep that in mind. PDX, buy signal is here, pulling back. All right. Just keep an eye on that. If we get a bounce tomorrow and the market really struggled today, try to make a move higher, but the Dow closed. Like I said, S&P was up. NASDAQ was up, S&P was down, Russell was down. Okay, but the market did struggle to hold. All right. All right, so SM buy signal here is still holding all green candles there. And that's the last one here. So a lot of energy stocks, we cleaning things up in here. Like I said, really shouldn't be trading equities. But we try to get some trades in and the majority are failing. Okay, so be careful equities. If we take a quick look, hey, Solomon, welcome. If we take a quick look at Stock Boss, let's see here, and Heat Seeker, we did this last night. There's only three stocks, guys. All right, three stocks, and we usually have, way over 50, 75, 100 stocks. So that tells us something. The cool thing about Heat Seeker is that even if we wanted to trade stocks, guess what? It's not giving us any trades. So it really does protect us from getting in what could be a very difficult market. Okay, so there's only three here. Three. Let's take a look at Bullmaster here. Bullmaster 7, right? We normally have over 100 stocks, right? Every day when things are moving, right? I think we had, when we were bullish, I think we had up 200, right? 200 stocks. Shorts, let's see what the shorts are doing. And this is a good way to find out what sellers are doing, right? Who is in control, right? So we know buyers are not in control because, we scanned for over 22,000 stocks and only three and what, 7 came up. And look at the shorts. Look how many on the short side. 533 shorts right? Stocks that they're shorting. All right. So all these are going down. All right. So market is definitely bearish. Okay. All right. US 30 traders. All right. I hope you guys are in. Those of you who haven't gotten your time frames, get with me on that. We had some great trades today. All right. Using the smaller time frames. All right. So there were some short trades, and we are really loving the time frames here. All right. So there were some shorts. Where are they? Hold on. No, it's quick. Let's get more data here. All right. So hold on. All right, still not getting off. Hold on. Okay, so we had a couple of shorts. Let's see, 5 minute here. All right, so we had some shorts here, early morning, here, and here. All right, and then there were some long opportunities to go long. All right, and these on the smaller time frames. And there were some long opportunities. Where are the long opportunities? Oh no, that was the pound yen. But good shorts, right? Good shorts came in on your smaller time frames. Okay, so right here. So those of you who are who made the change, who are using the smaller time frame, good way to trade it. Okay, now the 60 minute closed. Okay, so let's bring this up here. The 60-minute closed. All right, so this is the 60-minute here. All right, we're still bearish. We might find support, and we saw buyers trying to come back in. All right, but still in a markdown phase. Still in a markdown on the 30-minute. So 30-minute closed also, 60 closed. All right. And then here's the 1 minute, buying is coming in on the 1 minute. So we might get some buying. Right now, futures, right? You guys see here, buying is coming in. So you might want to look on for your smaller time frames for some buying opportunity. But if things reverse, just be ready to go short again. All right. All right. Let's take a look at no stocks, right? No equities this evening. No equities. All right. We're going to take a look at Forex. And then we'll be done, guys, because there's not a lot. There's not a lot. All right, dollar yen closed. Still choppy. All right, still very choppy in here. If you guys got on the short trade, all right, on the Kiwi pairs, all right, good job. So New Zealand dollar, all right, New Zealand, Swiss, great shots going there. New Zealand CAD, great shots going here. But if anyone is in it, get ready to perhaps close it, right? Here, it's finding support right here, right here. And it's moving higher. So that should probably close soon. New Zealand CAD. All right. New Zealand Swiss. All right. Finding support. Support is right here. Remember this. Support is right here. So if anyone is short in this, you might just want to take profits. Okay. It's gone down quite a bit. All right. And this one here. And New Zealand dollar finding support. You have really good support down here. So this might be done for a while, but you never know. All right. These markets are doing whatever they want. Now we're at 36 here, 36. So not bad. We saw some moves in the yen pairs. Let's see here. So let's take a quick look. Dollar yen closed. All right. SGD JPY. Great trade. We're trading this in Forex Dominator. Great trade going there. Let's see if we can find something on the 240 here. But great trade on the longer time frame. Very choppy. A possible trade if it can break through resistance. All right. So if it can break through resistance here, we have a trend line here, but a lot of consolidation. Expect this type of consolidation to continue. Okay, with this pair. Look at this right here. It's moving up, but boy, very, very nasty chart here. All right. So if anyone traded, just be careful. Okay. Let's see here. HKD JPY that closed. Pound yen made a move. All right. So pound yen actually had some great trades on the smaller time frame. Broke through resistance. It's on the 240. Has a buy signal here. On the daily, green candles are coming in. But boy, I tell you, pound yen will follow the equity markets, and that's just tricky right now. So if you guys trade it, you have resistance right here that can easily come back. I would say just trade it on a smaller time frame. Okay, we won't send out a pick. We're going to lay off on the picks for now. All right. That's pound yen. Euro yen. Euro yen looks better. Let's see here. And euro yen did make a move. So buy signal came in on the daily time frame. We'll add this to Forex Dominator. So it's EUR JPY. All right. Forex Dominator has been trading much better, guys. So EUR JPY long in Forex Dominator. All right. Buy signal here came in today. All right. And a nice break of resistance right here. Nice big candle too. All right. Let's take a look at the 240 for Monster Scalper. See a lot of consolidation. Look at that, guys. Really rough trading here. Okay. It's gone up. If you guys, I know some of you traded it on the smaller time frame. So I would say just if you're going, don't trade it on the 240, right? If you want, you can. It's gone though. It's gone up quite a bit. But you might want to put together a 60-minute time frame. All right, and then use your time frame. So if we look here, all right, so that's euro, euro yen. That's the cool thing about these time frames, right? So you can take the pair in Monster Scalper, all right, euro yen long, right? So daily is long, right? 240 is long, but don't trust this right here on the 240. So you can come here to your time frames and then put it here. And then look here, look at the 15 minutes, right? Buy signal here, great trade on the 15 minute. All right. Great trade going on the 30 minute. All right. Great trade. Look at that. Look at the 30 minute here. And look at the hour. So it looks like crap. Look at the hourly right here. So it looks like crap on the 240. All right. But great trading well on the 60. Now you wouldn't get in now. All right. But you could wait for the next trade. All right. Even on a 5 minute time frame. And this is something that we haven't done, but we'll start doing this. All right, here's a 5 minute. All right, so if you had some time, right, you had some time, right, you can trade it on the 5 minute and perhaps, and look, it's been trading fairly well, right, on the 5 minute. Okay, so experiment a little bit. Okay, but very, very choppy. It is breaking out on the 240, but we'll call it on the daily. Okay. All right. These time frames here will be great. It's going to offer a lot more opportunities to get in. Swiss yen. All right. That's one we're in already. We're going to add it to Forex Dominator. All right. So we're in it already in Monster Scalper. Swiss yen is actually the only long yen pair we have in Monster Scalper, but we'll add it in Forex Dominator. So CHF, JPY, long in Forex Dominator. Look at the previous trade, did really, really well. All right, pull back, buy signal here, and a break of this resistance, and it's holding really well here. A purple support and resistance, but that should be fine. All right, wants to break out. So Swiss yen will add that to Forex Dominator. All right. CAD yen, nothing here. Aussie yen, nothing. Nothing here. Look at this, guys. Very choppy. If you see anything like this, just stay away. I wouldn't even try to trade the range, right? Between support and resistance. Don't even try to do that. Look at this. Very choppy. The dollar pairs, very disappointing in the dollar pairs. All right. USD PLN, that's a good short going there. All right. So right here, USD PLN, good short going here, but they're all over the place. All right. So be selective. We can add this one here. Okay. USD DKK, just be selective. Short in Monster Scalper. All right. Again, you can bring in your time frames. All right. Right here, short USD DKK, and here it is. Right. Every single time frame is going short. Okay. A good tip: wait for the buying to come in. All right, and then wait for the sellers to come in to continue this. If the buying continues, right, on these smaller time frames, then you might want to go back, right? Go back, go to your long USD DKK, and then look to go long. Okay. All right. Um, let's see here. Eurozar. Nothing here. Very choppy, guys. Look at this. We'll add this one. Euro. So dollars moving lower. All right. So we'll add EUR USD. That's the inverse. All right. Weekly, the daily time frame, big green candle here, nice markdown phase. All right. And so big buy signal here on the 240, descent markdown phase, right? Buy signal here, big candle. All right, big candle here. Buyers are coming in. So we'll add that. EUR. All right. Notice how we have been very selective, guys. We're not just buying a group because we don't have a rotation. All right, long. So EUR USD long in Monster Scalper. Yeah, so we don't have a rotation in any of the groups, pairs. Okay, so just be selective. Look at each individual. All right, EUR SGD. Hold on. No, we are in Euro New Zealand, Euro Pound, Euro NOK. EUR SGD. This one is breaking out here. All right, too late to get in. All right, let's see if we have a rotation here in the. So Euro SEK. All right, white candles here, buy signal. It hasn't gone too far, so we'll add that. EUR SEK long in Monster Scalper. All right, EUR SEK. EUR PLN. Not ready yet. EUR NZD, we're in that one already, right here. EUR NOK, we're in that one already, right here. All right. EUR HUF. No. All right. EUR HKD. All right. Let's add this one. EUR HKD. Yeah, we're not in this one here in Monster Scalper. Okay. On the daily time frame, we've got buyers coming in. Did we look at this one? So we got a green candle here and big candle here, big buy signal. So EUR HKD, that's Hong Kong long in Monster Scalper. So we have a few here in the Euro pairs. We're in this one already. EUR DKK. Nothing here. CZK, nothing here. Swiss, Euro Swiss, nothing here. EuroCAD. All right, EuroCAD, that's gone. Let's see here. All right, too late for that one. Good trade going there, though, EuroCAD. Good trade going there. All right. Euro Aussie. Let's see, Euro Aussie. All right, Euro Aussie. Yeah, that's gone too. Now, when you guys see them like this, these are perfect to bring in your time frames. All right, these are perfect to bring in your time frames. Okay, especially if you've missed it on the. Don't think of missing it now on the 240. All right, you can always bring in your time frames. All right, so Euro Aussie, right? Buy signal here on the 240. Right, we have buyers on the daily. All right, so go to your long Euro Aussie right here. and then you could just look, wait for opportunities on the smaller time frame, and it's trending higher. It's in the markdown phase on the weekly, daily, 240, 60, 30 minute, 15, 5 minute, okay, and then the 1 minute is retracing. So just wait for that retracement and then look for continuation. All right, guys. So equities, just stay away from for now, right? No new positions, just stay away from now. And uh, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Work on your time frames, all right? Start looking for opportunities on the smaller time frames. I know it's new, it's something that we add in, all right, but it will give you guys some more opportunities, especially with the markets consolidating, all right, like they've been. All right, guys. Take care. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.